Want a simple, low-risk way to spoof Monster Hunter now? Connect your phone to MagFone Location Changer and open Game Mode. Then tap the Monster Hunter Now icon to get started. MagFone supports both iOS and Android without jailbreaking or rooting. Next, use Change Location Mode by dragging the map pin to any spot and tapping Start Modifying to teleport instantly. Just watch the countdown at the top of the map and avoid repeatedly teleporting long distances in short bursts to reduce detection risk. If you prefer simulated movement, Two-Spot Mode builds a route between 2 points where you can set the speed and start moving while still joining hunts and collecting materials as you go. Multi-Spot Mode expands that idea into a multi-stop route for more complex farming paths. And if you see a gameplay restriction message, the usual fix is to lower your movement speed so your GPS behavior looks more natural. Jump Teleport Mode lets you hop between locations quickly while still completing tasks and claiming rewards. The on-screen joystick gives you flexible, real-time directional control with customizable speed so you can mimic natural walking.